This is second module of the second day that is emergence of Mahatma Gandhi in Indian politics by Dr. Krishna Patil, Pemra Sarada College, Ahmednagar. In the first video we have seen that Gandhi in Africa. Now we will see how Gandhi emerged as a politician, as a political leader in India. At the time when Gandhi came to India in 1915, the India's politics were split into two groups. Congress, especially Congress, which was leading the freedom struggle of India, which was split into two groups. One group was under leadership of Lokmanya Tilak, who is a powerful leader of extremist, and another was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was a leaders of moderates, one of the leader of moderate. When Gandhi come in 1950, he met Gokhale and he considered Gokhale as his political mentor. When Gandhi discussed with Gokhale about his political career, then Gokhale advised Gandhi that he must understood first Indian society, Indian culture, Indian people, and all the scenario, and then only he should come into Indian politics. So Gandhi traveled all over India in the railway with general class to see the common class, and he traveled. When he traveled India, he see there was a very worse condition of common people. There is a poverty in India, there is a illiteracy in India, health condition is very poor, there is no clothes to common people for wear. So Gandhi, after traveling, after taking experience, Gandhi decided that he will fight for Swaraj. There are two pictures which I have taken the courtesy. I have mentioned reference in the bottom of the slide. The one picture is from Gopal Krishna Gokhale's Gandhi's political guru, which was written by Govinda Talwalkar, and another picture was when Gandhi traveled all over India. This is one of the picture. After traveling India, Gandhi emerged as a political leader in India due to these three movements. One is a Champaranya Satyagraha, another is Kheda Satyagraha, and third one is a industrial dispute in Ahmedabad. What happened with these three satyagrahas? In Champaranya located in Bihar, it was a district in Bihar. There was a problem of indigo cultivators. They were suffers due to compulsion of indigo cultivation by the European indigo planters. So they want some concession from government for this indigo cultivation, and they called Gandhi for their leadership, for help, and especially Rajendra Prasad, one of the local leader of the cultivators. Gandhi went to Champaranya and fought against the government, and succeed to create a pressure on government for the passing of concession law. This is the first victory of Gandhi in India. Here is one picture which showing the Champaranya Satyagraha, and the second Satyagraha of Gandhi was taken in Kheda district in Gujarat, which is also related to the peasants. They were suffering from the famine, and government demands tax, compulsory tax. They don't give concession to the farmers. So They called Gandhiji, and Gandhi come and fought against government and succeed to seeking concession in revenue. This is a second. There is a second picture which is of Kheda Satyagraha. Third struggle of Gandhi, which was in 1918, was of industrial dispute in Ahmedabad, which was in between workers and owners of cotton mills in Ahmedabad. Gandhi successfully lead this struggle, and the mill owners hike the wages of the workers. These three struggles due to these three struggles, Gandhi emerged as a leader in Indian politics, leader of masses, and Gandhi recognized that the Congress needs to lead the peasants and the workers of India. That's why Gandhi took the leadership of farmers and workers. Thank you.